Hey, it's Freddie at Bobcat. Thanks for stopping by and taking some time to look at this Bobcat R Series T66. This is a very hot item in the equipment world. You're doing yourself a favor by checking it out. New cab, pressurized, sealed, 7-inch screen, bam, multiple user codes, backup camera. Your guys ever hit anything backing up? I know if I had a crew, they would. Heated air ride seat. Multi-function joysticks. You got one operator that wants it slow, one operator that wants it fast. We got it taken care of. Beefier bob attach on the R Series. Look at these cast steel lift arms. And look at the fresh pin down here. Massive. One of the cool features on the R Series, look at this clear glass. I don't know about your crews. Our idea at Bobcat is to have maximum visibility and keep the entire job site safe. If you ever have to work early in the morning, late at night when it's dark, pre-wired for the side light kit. And you always have the 5-link torsion suspension option. If you're on rough terrain, that will alleviate all the bumps, bruises. Standard counterweight kit. When you got a beast like this, counterweights, gotta have them. Look at the serviceability on this engine. Increased fan, increased fuel, increased air filter. This thing is a service technician's friend. There's only one thing left to do: sign the deal.
Hey, I'm Alan, your local Bobcat salesman, Bobcat of Bowling Green. Right now we're looking at the brand new 2020 T76, taking the place of the T650. As we look at the machine, you're gonna notice the tracks. With a 5-link suspension, gonna give you a smoother ride, better ride, easy on your back. Gonna have the cast steel arms, gonna give you 2,900 pound lift capacity versus the old 2,650 pound lift capacity. The machine has got optional cab features. Gonna have touchscreen Bluetooth radio, backup camera, touchscreen for Bluetooth ready, sources, Bluetooth, and a little bit of Notorious B.I.G. On the back side of the T76, I'm gonna back out so you can see the whole screen. See the louvered door, gonna increase airflow, built-in place for your backup camera. Gonna open the door for you. Gonna see the cooler condenser on the door. Gonna see a bigger, oversized fan to draw a cooler air in from the top. We're going to see a transverse engine in line with straight to your pumps to give airflow, room to get out to cool the machine faster.
Hey, it's Brad at Bobcat of Greenville, and this ain't no TikTok. I can promise you, you ain't got nothing to worry about. We're gonna talk about the new T66 R Series track loader and some of my favorite features on these new machines. As you can see, the first one is the clear glass option. Best visibility on the market. It's unreal. Also, the 5-link torsion undercarriage. Smooth. I'm talking about real smooth ride. And my #1 favorite, if you can see it in the corner over there, is the keyless touch screen that is Bluetooth capable of hooking to your phone, so you do not have to pull your phone out of your pocket while you are working. Come by, see us. We got some great deals. Now's the time to buy. We got 0% financing. We got some low monthly lease payment options. With that lease, you would get a 3-year full warranty. And hey, if you got it, we'll take your cash. Come by, see us today, or call us at 864-269-3600. Thank you.